Nĩ giikaro kia mwanya kiria githaganĩirio kaunti-inĩ ya Kilifi nĩguo kumurika moritũ maria makoretwo makigũmĩra mbeu njithi kuuma gĩtarũ kia Afrika na ũkuruhanĩtie ataaramu kuuma honge itiganĩte na ikundi cia gũtetera atumia. Maratanya guuka na mendekithia maria magĩrĩirwo gũkinyanĩrio na kũhĩtũkio ta watho thĩinĩ wa Afrika makirongoreria wagi wa mawĩra, ugima wa mwĩrĩ na ũkũria wa technology.
When we look at the future, we realize that new challenges are going to come that are not even present today. So we want to understand that so that we can, in a sense, begin to sensitize young people on new opportunities that they can use to create their own opportunities so that they create an employment and reduce the possibilities of not being able to work.
Wamaye oigĩte makũhũthĩra ikundi ta kia urumwe wa Africa nĩyo African Union na Young Men's Christians Association kũhũranĩra mawatho macio kũrĩ nake Timothy njeki kuuma Africa ya irathiro oigĩte ũthuthuria ũrĩa wĩkĩtwo wonanĩtie mbeu njithi matikoretwo magĩkuruhanio wega thĩinĩ wa honge itiganĩte.
The 10-year decade plan of action for young people is coming to a close, but also with our strategic investment in partnerships with institutions like the African Union and others, we hope to infuse this process, the research, the dissemination report into the next plan for African youth, and ensure that from the highest level we have strong intervention, but also from the country level.
We live on the ground. I mean, we see things that happens around in our societies from different backgrounds. So talking about what we really think we are going to do about the early pregnancy things that we are talking about, the drugs addiction among the youth, the unemployment and everything, is just to make sure that we raise awareness, just like he was saying, but also to promote women and youth rights, to promote women, youth, children rights, and also to remind the people, because we work in different institutions, to remind the people, other people, the responsibilities that they have to play in our communities.
Maroiga kiria kirabatarania thĩinĩ wa gĩtarũ gĩkĩ nĩ mbeu njithi gũkuruhanio thĩinĩ wa ũtongoria na kũrigĩrĩrio kwĩingĩrania na ciĩko njũru ta kwĩingĩria ũhũthĩri-inĩ wa dawa cia kũrebia.
Bado no sorry riziki kwa hii